The deep sea is a mysterious place. It starts where sunlight fades, about 200 meters below the surface. Down here, it's incredibly dark. The only light comes from some animals, glowing in the blackness. The deep sea is also very cold. The temperature hovers just above freezing. This harsh environment makes it a challenge to live there. Far below the sunlit surface, in the pitch-black depths of the ocean, life takes on forms that seem almost alien. Down here, the pressure is immense, the water is icy cold, and sunlight never reaches. Yet, against all odds, an astonishing variety of creatures not only survive but thrive in these extreme conditions. These animals have evolved remarkable adaptations to help them find food, avoid predators, and communicate in the darkness. Take the anglerfish, for example. This bizarre predator has a long, thin extension on its head tipped with a glowing bulb. The light is produced by bioluminescent bacteria, and it acts like a fishing lure, attracting smaller fish and other prey right to the anglerfish's mouth. In the darkness, this glowing lure is irresistible, and the anglerfish's huge jaws and sharp teeth make it a fearsome hunter. Another mysterious resident of the deep is the giant squid. Rarely seen by humans, this elusive creature can grow to lengths longer than a school bus, making it one of the largest invertebrates on Earth. Its long tentacles are lined with powerful suckers, perfect for grabbing prey in the darkness. The giant squid's most striking feature is its enormous eyes, some of the largest in the animal kingdom. These huge eyes help it spot faint glimmers of light, like the bioluminescence of other creatures, allowing it to navigate and hunt in the perpetual night of the deep sea. And then there's the vampire squid, a creature with a name as dramatic as its appearance. Despite its fearsome name, the vampire squid is actually quite gentle, feeding mostly on drifting bits of organic matter rather than hunting live prey. Its arms are connected by a web of skin, creating a cloak-like cape that it can wrap around itself. This unique adaptation helps it confuse predators and protect its soft body from harm. When threatened, the vampire squid performs a spectacular defense. It turns itself inside out, exposing rows of sharp-looking spines. This display makes it look much more dangerous than it really is, helping to scare off would-be attackers. In the deep sea, survival depends on creativity, and these creatures are true masters of adaptation. Deep sea creatures have adapted to survive immense pressure. Imagine the weight of all the water above pressing down. This pressure would crush most submarines, let alone a human. Deep sea animals have special bodies that can withstand this crushing force. Their bodies are often more fluid and less reliant on air spaces, which would collapse under pressure. Exploring the deep sea is one of the greatest challenges in modern science. The ocean's depths are shrouded in darkness, with crushing pressures and freezing temperatures that make human exploration extremely difficult and dangerous. For centuries, the mysteries of the abyss remained out of reach, hidden beneath miles of water. Even today, less than 5% of the world's oceans have been explored, leaving vast regions unknown and teeming with secrets. But, thanks to incredible advances in technology, we're now able to venture further into the deep than ever before. New underwater vehicles and robotics are opening up possibilities that were once only dreams. These machines are designed to withstand the harshest conditions on Earth, allowing us to reach places that would be impossible for divers or traditional submarines. Submersibles, which are kind of like submarines but much smaller and more agile, can now dive thousands of meters below the surface. These compact vessels are piloted by experts or sometimes even remotely, and they're equipped with advanced navigation systems to guide them through the pitch-black waters of the deep ocean. They carry powerful lights that cut through the darkness, and high-definition cameras that capture breathtaking images and video of this hidden world. With these tools, scientists can observe rare creatures, map the seafloor, and study underwater geology in ways that were never possible before. Scientists also use remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, which are like robotic explorers sent into the abyss. These ROVs are equipped with robotic arms, sensors, and sampling tools, making them invaluable for deep-sea research. Controlled from a ship on the surface, ROVs can squeeze into tight spaces, collect samples of rocks, water, and even living creatures, and send back real-time data to scientists above. With these new eyes on the abyss, we're finally beginning to unlock the secrets of the deep sea. Every time we venture into the deep sea, we are reminded of how little we truly know about our own planet. Each expedition brings with it the thrill of discovery, New creatures that defy our imagination, entire ecosystems thriving in complete darkness, and mysteries that challenge everything we thought we understood about life on Earth. The deep ocean is a place where the ordinary rules of biology seem to bend, and where life has adapted in the most extraordinary ways. We uncover new secrets of our planet with every dive, secrets hidden for millions of years beneath crushing pressure and icy darkness. From hydrothermal vents teeming with unique organisms, to glowing creatures that light up the abyss, the deep sea is a living laboratory of evolution and adaptation. There's still so much we don't know. In fact, more than 80% of our oceans remain unexplored, making the deep sea one of the last true frontiers on Earth. What wonders and challenges await us in these uncharted depths? The possibilities are as vast as the ocean itself. By studying the deep sea, we can learn more about how life on Earth evolved, and perhaps even gain insights into how life might exist on other worlds. The unique adaptations of deep-sea creatures help us understand the limits of life, and the resilience of nature in the face of extreme conditions. We can also discover new medicines and resources. Many deep-sea organisms produce compounds that could lead to breakthroughs in medicine, biotechnology, and even sustainable materials. The ocean floor may hold answers to some of humanity's greatest challenges, if only we take the time to look. The deep sea is a vital part of our planet, supporting countless species and playing a crucial role in regulating our climate. Its ecosystems are delicate, interconnected, and essential to the health of the entire Earth, and it's up to us to protect it. As we continue to explore, we must also ensure that we preserve this incredible world for future generations, so that its mysteries and wonders remain for all to discover.